Here are the multiple choice questions, MCQs, with answers for each topic. CTET Paper 1 and 2 Pedagogy. Topic: Concept of development and its relationship with learning. MCQs. Which of the following is the correct relationship between development and learning? A. Development occurs independently of learning. B. Learning and development influence each other. C. Learning occurs only after development is complete. D. Development is not related to learning. Answer B. Learning and development influence each other. Which theorist emphasized the role of social interaction in cognitive development? A. Jean Piaget. B. Lev Vygotsky. C. B. F. Skinner. D. Erik Erikson. Answer B. Lev Vygotsky. In which stage of Piaget's cognitive development theory does a child develop object permanence? A. Sensorimotor stage. B. Preparational stage. C. Concrete operational stage. D. Formal operational stage. Answer A. Sensorimotor stage. The concept of zone of proximal development, ZPD, suggests that children learn best when A. They work independently. B. They receive help from a more knowledgeable other. C. They memorize information. D. They avoid difficult tasks. Answer B. They receive help from a more knowledgeable other. Which factor does not directly influence a child's development? A. Heredity. B. Environment. C. Luck. D. Social interactions. Answer C. Luck. CTET Paper 1 and 2 Tamil. Moli Purital, Petippakuti, 5 Kelvikal. Pati, Oru Palliyil Oru Siruvan Mikavam Patikali. Enal Avanukku Mana Ameti Illai. Avan Epotam Patankalai Mananam Seya Marantu Vituvan. Avan Asiriyar, Avanukku Sirenta Vilaikattiaka Iruntu, Patipal Arvam Katta Seya Mutivu Sita. Apotu Anta Manavan Patankalil Sirentu Vilinkinan. MCQs. Siruvanukku Ena Pirikanai Iruntatu. A. Avan Patankalai Patikkavilai. B. Avan Patankalai Marantu Vituvan. C. Avan Pallikut Selavilai. D. Avan Asiriyarai Virumpavilai. Answer B. Avan Patankalai Marantu Vituvan. Siruvan Epatip Patipar Sirentu Vilinkinan. A. Asiriyar Avarukku Utavinar. B. Avan Manam Vittu Patitan. C. Nanparkal Utavinar Kaldi, Vittil Latika Neram Selavitan. Answer A. Asiriyar Avarukku Utavinar. Vilaikatti, Anra Colin Paul Enna. A. Karuttaram Oruvar. B. Netpu. C. Vilayattu Akandi, Kutampattinar. Answer A. Karuttaram Oruvar. Siruvan Palliyil Epati Iruntan. A. Patikali. B. Mokamana Manavan. C. Vilayattu Virandi, Kavanika Ventiyavan. Answer A. Patikali. Asiriyarin Seyal Siruvanukku Ena Payantantitu. A. Avan Patankalil Sirentu Vilinkinan. B. Avan Pallikut Selavilai. C. Avan Manatil Pataram Irpittatu. D. Avan Nanparkalai Ilantu Vittan. Answer A. Avan Patankalil Sirentu Vilinkinan. CTET Paper 1 and 2 English. 2 Unseen Prose Passages. 5 MCQs. Passage. In a small town, there was a young boy named Sam. He was passionate about painting. However, he had little money to buy paints and brushes. One day, a kind old man noticed his interest and gifted him a set of paints. With great enthusiasm, Sam started painting beautiful landscapes. Soon, his work was recognized, and he became a famous artist. MCQs. What was Sam passionate about? A. Writing. B. Singing. C. Painting. D. Dancing. Answer C. Painting. Why couldn't Sam buy paints and brushes? A. He was too young. B. He had little money. C. His parents didn't allow him. D. He didn't like painting. Answer B. He had little money. Who helped Sam with his passion? A. A young boy. B. A rich businessman. C. A kind old man. D. A teacher. Answer C. A kind old man. What happened after Sam started painting? A. He became famous. B. He lost interest. C. He stopped painting. D. He gave up on his dream. Answer A. He became famous. What does this passage teach us? A. Hard work always leads to success. B. Only rich people can be artists. C. Helping others is not important. D. One should never follow their passion. Answer A. Hard work always leads to success. History 15 MCQs. Topics 1. where and how, the earliest societies, the first farmers and herders. What is history the study of? A. The future. B. The past. C. The present. D. Fictional stories. Answer. B. The past. Which source helps historians understand the past? A. Ancient texts. B. Coins. C. Inscriptions. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. The earliest societies were mainly A. Hunters and gatherers. B. Traders. C. Warriors. D. Farmers. Answer. A. Hunters and gatherers. What was the primary occupation of early humans? A. Farming. B. Hunting and gathering. C. Teaching. D. Writing books. Answer. B. Hunting and gathering. Where did early humans live? A. Cities. B. Forests and caves. C. Large palaces. D. Skyscrapers. Answer. B. Forests and caves. The first farming communities appeared around A. 1000 years ago. B. 10,000 years ago. C. 100,000 years ago. D. 500 years ago. Answer. B. 10,000 years ago. The first domesticated animal was A. Dog. B. Cow. C. Horse. D. Elephant. Answer. A. Dog. The Neolithic Revolution refers to A. The invention of fire. B. The beginning of farming. C. The use of stone tools. D. The discovery of the wheel. Answer. B. The beginning of farming. Why did early humans start farming? A. Hunting was too easy. B. Population increased. C. They liked plants. D. It was fun. Answer. B. Population increased. 10. What is the primary source of historical information? A. Oral stories. B. Written records and archaeological sources. C. Future predictions. D. Myths and legends. Answer. B. Written records and archaeological sources. 11. Why is history divided into different periods? A. To make it more interesting. B. To classify events systematically. C. To create fictional stories. D. To remove past events. Answer. B. To classify events systematically. 12. What does the term prehistory mean? A. The study of future events. B. The period before written records. C. The study of ancient rulers. D. The time of the Industrial Revolution. Answer. B. The period before written records. 13. What do historians use to determine dates of past events? A. Carbon dating in historical texts. B. Random guessing. C. Future forecasting. D. Scientific theories. Answer. A. Carbon dating in historical texts. 14. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in which year? A. 1750. B. 1921. C. 1857. D. 1947. Answer. B. 1921. The earliest societies. 15. Early humans were primarily A. Hunters and gatherers. B. Farmers. C. Traders. D. Politicians. Answer. A. Hunters and gatherers.